I just want to show you a creepy storm. Today is the 26th, so it is 6-26-17, 2017, and I want to show you a huge storm and scare the crap out of me, but here's the storm. Okay, I'm just gonna move you guys. I mean, it's raining and pouring. Hi, Christina.
Hello.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hello. Hello. Come on in.
Come on in.
Hey, kind of blocked.
So guys, here's a fender. As you can see, you just saw lightning.
Is that for the little one or the big one?
So here it is. So this is awesome. Unfortunately, I don't want to waste all my space and it'll just stop the video. So I'm just going to end this video in like a couple minutes. So guys, count to 60 twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. As you can see, it's almost been a minute. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Oh, okay. So it's practically, so I'm counting to 60 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As you can tell, it's really rainy. I'm just gonna close it when I run out of space. So if my camera just instantly stopped, that means the video is over, okay? Good plan.
Right? Not gonna wait until tomorrow. You get wet.
Do you hear this? This is crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna close this because holy. Okay, so we just now saw a very good lightning. It looked like a Z, like. So I'm gonna close this because I keep on getting wet. So just I close picture it. You can hear the thunder. I mean, it's a creepy storm in Spokane, Washington. It's not cool. Oh, jeez. It's not very cool. Sorry, I didn't know my phone was that close up. So you must have seen me, like my eyeball. But I didn't know you guys could see me that close up. But let's look.
Yeah.